Hello guys, this video is sponsored you by Mathi's Coffees. Okay, let's get straight to the video. I got some stuff, I'm gonna do some soldering. I got a busted calculator and I'm gonna unscrew it. As you see, I'm having some problems with the calculator for a while. It works, but you need to tap it. There's a loose wire. And you tap it, sometimes the loose wire connects with the battery and it works for some time, and again it's not working. So today I'm gonna fix that problem permanently because my exams are coming up. I got a screwdriver. I already unscrewed some screws. As you can see, the battery, I tested it. It's not a low battery problem, new battery. The problem must be the wire. Okay, now open. You can see, as I said, the wire is busted. It's not connecting to the battery holder. So I switch it on, let it heat up for some time. Opening up a new wire. Come close. As you can see, the wire, it's not connecting to the hood. So I'm gonna solder this part here. I'm gonna connect the wire to the hood. Take some. Before the start of the video, I clean all the parts. I clean all the surface of any residues or anything. Make sure it's clean, dry before you soldering it. And about this thing, before starting to heat it up, plug it in, clean the soldering iron tip with the solder flux. Sometimes it comes with the soldering iron, or you need to buy it a la carte. You can buy it. You can get in any hardware or electronic store. So clean the tip with the flux, clean it efficiently, and after using it, after all the process, you complete all the process, make sure to switch it, let it cool, and when it's safe, clean it again thoroughly with the flux, using the flux. It's important, a vital part to prolong the soldering iron's life. Okay, and because of some budget, we are using some creative idea as a soldering holder. You must buy an actual soldering holder. Another important thing, when you first use it for the first time, you buy it straight from store. You open it from packaging. You use it for the first time. You plug it in. Smokes come out. White smokes come out. It smells a bit. Don't be afraid. It's quite normal. It happens the first time, and after some time, the smoke stops coming out, and it's okay. It never comes on ever again. If it comes out after the second time, third time, something's problem. Unplug it immediately. Okay, successfully made it. And switch it off. And there goes your second safety precaution. Switch it off immediately. Okay, let it cool down for a bit. And test it out straight with a new battery. I really hope this works. There you have it. Looks like a new. And there you go, guys. It's a tutorial on how to use a soldering iron. I just showed you. And that's all. Subscribe. Thank you for watching.